Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Bill and Tech. Today in this video I am going to guide you that how you can flip or rotate video in Wondershare Filmora. So for this, open the Filmora. Click on full feature mode. And now select the video. I'm selecting this video. Drag here. Drag it down. See, if we want to flip or rotate, go here and double click here. You will observe the options. See here, rotate. If you want to rotate it 90 degree clockwise or anti-clockwise, you can use these options like see. This is how you can rotate the video anti-clockwise. And now if you want to flip it horizontal, click here. If you want to flip it vertical, click here. And now click on OK and click play to see whether it's working. So this is how you can flip or rotate the video in Wondershare Filmora. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.